I'm so disappointed in myself. Let me tell you why. It was about a week ago, actually, that I stepped onto the scales and I went over 200 pounds. I was 202 pounds. Now, the reason for the disappointment is because that I'm a hypnotist and I've got a weight loss program. And I did my weight loss program about at the beginning of the year, really, and I was at 222.2 pounds. And so I did my first weight loss program and I did the program myself. It was a video that I watched and listened to, and I did the hypnosis session. And from there, I lost a bunch of weight and I went down to 186 pounds. So I became a new person basically from that. And from there, I went back up to 202 pounds again. After all my success, I let myself go again. And here I am back up to 202 pounds. And that's why I was so disappointed in myself that day when I figured out that, here I am back there. And I worked so hard. And now I seem like not just a failure, but I'm going to be fat for the rest of my life. I can't do this. It's so hard. And all these negative thoughts and everything were going through my head. And so what I had to do is I had to say, stop. I had to stop myself and get out in front of all this negativity about myself. And the reason I had to get out in front of it now is because if I don't do it now, then Christmas will roll by and New Year's will come in and I'll be back to 220 pounds again. And I don't want that. And so I had to get out in front of this, stop all the negativity. And since I did that first program, I've created a new hypnosis program, but I haven't sat down and done that. And the thing about hypnosis videos is that they're not as powerful as a one-on-one session. So if this was a one-on-one session and I saw a hypnotist who hypnotized me and did a weight loss session, then it would be just one session that I needed. But I didn't do that. I did my own video. I watched my own video and I only did it once. And so with hypnosis videos, you got to listen to them more than once. And you got to listen to them whenever you need to. Now, since then, I've went on to create a new hypnosis for weight loss workshop. And I've got some new strategies and stuff that I've put into that. And I haven't done that yet. And so what I realized here is that I didn't go ahead and use the tools that I had to get ahead of this early enough and stop the weight gain before it got out of control. Well, I've actually stopped it before it's got out of control. And a week ago, I went on a Purium cleanse. It's a 10-day cleanse. And so what's that? This is day 8, and I've lost 8 pounds. So it's basically a pound a day that I lost on this program. And this cleanse is really awesome. It really jumpstarts the weight loss and gets you in a good position. So I've got a few more days left of this, and then that's over. And then I'm going to work at getting myself back into the 180s. And then from there, I've planned on going down in the 170s. Now, Christmas is coming up, so I've got to make sure that I, empty out and make enough room for whatever holiday cheer that I'm going to engage in. So the important message here is to get out in front of it. When you get into negativity and you think that you're a failure, you gained weight when you were supposed to lose weight, and don't beat yourself up. Because the more you beat yourself up about it and the more negativity that you express, the negative thoughts, the feelings, the emotions and stuff that all come up around something like that. If you let that go, it's like it's a tumbleweed and it's rolling downhill and it's going to get worse and worse and worse. And so the idea is to get ahead of that so that you can stop it before it gains too much momentum. And you make that change. You make that change, get yourself into a positive mind space. And I got the perfect tool for that. I got my hypnosis for weight loss workshop. And so what I did a week ago is I went back and I listened to my hypnosis for weight loss workshop, session number 1. And here I am, back down 8 pounds again, back on track and working towards my goals. Now, if I didn't get ahead of that and stop it, if I continued to be disappointed in myself, then I wouldn't be back here again. I'd probably be closer to, 205 or something like that right now. But instead, I got ahead of it and I'm back here. And that's the important lesson, is to get ahead of the negative emotion and then watch the Hypnosis for Weight Loss workshop videos again. So now I'm in a different place. Now I know I can do it. I've got this. I've got the tools at my disposal that I can utilize at any time to make this easier on myself. I've got this. I can do this. I am the new version of myself. So the Hypnosis for Weight Loss workshop is a valuable tool to help you achieve your weight loss goals. So you can find a link to my Facebook group, Hypnosis for Weight Loss Workshop, down in the comments below. Make sure that you also give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and then click on that little bell so you get notified when I release more videos. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and till next time, have a good one.